Hello children, you are watching Digital Maths Lecture with SP. Today we will cover Class 4 Multiplication Part 1 chapter today. This is lecture number 1. Method of multiplication two-digit number vertically. Method of multiplying two-digit number vertically. This is a example. 315 multiply 7. 315 multiply 7. 350 multiply 7. Okay. 7 5 are 7 5 are 35. 7 5 are 35. So we put 5 and carry 3 over the 10. आ रहा है समझ में? 3 5 are 35. And we put 5 and 3 carry over the 10. Then 7 ones are 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 3 10. So we put 0 here and carry 1 over the 100. Carry 1 over the 100. Then 7 threes are 7 threes are, that is 21. 7 threes are 21. 21 plus 1, 22. 22. Our answer is 2205. ठीक है, अगला क्वेश्चन करेंगे हम लोग एक्सरसाइज मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ फॉलोइंग. ठीक है, एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करेंगे. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन 743 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. 743 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. चलो स्टार्ट करो. 5 3 जा, first 5 3 जा 15. So put 5 here and carry 1 over the 10. Then 5 4 जा 5 4 जा 5 4 जा 20. 20 plus 1 21. So put 1 here and carry 2 over the 100. Then 5 7 जा 5 7 जा 35. 35 plus 2 37. 37. So our answer is 3750. समझ में आ रहा है? You are understand? ठीक है. Second question is 409 multiplied by 4. 409 multiplied by 4. 4 9s are or 9 4s are 36. So 6 put here and carry 3 over the 10. Then 4 0. 4 multiply 0. 0. 4 multiply 0. 4 से 0 को मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर क्या आएगा? 0 आएगा. 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3, it is 3. Correct? Then 4 4s are 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. So our answer is 1636. Then last question is 354 multiply 9. 354 multiply 9. ठीक है, 9 4 जा, चलो करिए, आप लोग करिए, चलो 9 4 जा 36. So put 6 value here and carry 3 over the 10. Then 9 5 जा 9 5 जा 45. 9 5 are 45. 45 plus 3, 40, 48. So put 8 here and 4 over the 100. Then 9 3s are 9 3s are or 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 4, 27 plus 4, that is 31. 31. So our answer is 3186. I think you are understand multiplication of following exercise. So you do not subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and share to your friends. Thank you very much.